What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you around my little shed where I work on my bikes and stuff like that, and kind of give you an introduction to myself. So this is one of my friend's bike that I'm working on right now. The chain snapped on it. You can kind of see it, all the damage it did. I replaced the sprocket and chain, which is why that looks so new. But yeah, it caused a lot of damage back here. You can see the chain adjusters messed up on it. I believe it's a 650 Ninja. I'm not sure what year. So this is the shed where the magic happens. It's kind of messy right now. I'm kind of waiting on some things that I ordered to come in the mail for storage. Kind of organize all the parts and everything. This is for my friend's 2002 Yamaha R6. Got some leftover parts and pieces and stuff like that. Those are the, under that cover is the fairings to my bike. This is my bike. It's a work in progress. It was a barn find. I paid, I believe, $1,500 for it. It's a 2005 GSXR 600. Has the Yoshimura exhaust, the RS3. I do need a back tire. Has a full stretch kit on it with the blocks. You see, black path, gold chain. All the fairings is all fit. She's looking kind of naked. On this bike, I'm gonna be replacing the stator and clutch cable. It's kind of my main focus for this one. Been having problems with the battery charging on it and whatnot, and just got this tap and die set from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna try to use that to fix his bike. That's my air compressor, my jack, a torch, fan for where we work, keep us cool a little bit. It's got a whole bunch of junk here and there. It's not really organized. Got some Allen keys right here, some torque bits here. Got some screwdrivers, sleeve cam, electrical tape, double-sided tape, some wrenches, just miscellaneous stuff here, gloves, tire plug kit. My big wrenches. This is SAE sockets and we got metric sockets. Some of my wrenches, oil filter holders, extensions. On the bottom I have sander, engine degreaser, tons of cans of spray paint. Got some jack stands right here. Little cheap drill, torque wrench right there. A transfer pump so I can empty out gas tanks and stuff like that. I have a grinder, Bluetooth speaker, multimeter, get it bumping. Those are just some of my fluids that I have. But yeah, this is a work in progress. As you see, this is my pride and joy. She came a long way. I believe she got 39,000 miles. If I'm not mistaken. She runs like a champ. Just the charging system and clutch cable is kind of messed up. The clutch is kind of funky. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but gonna be posting more videos, trying to really get on my grind on this YouTube shit. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, comment down below what you would like me to do or see. And anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one.